You guys need to try this jalapeno chicken recipe. Hi, my name is Maniha and today I'm gonna make jalapeno chicken. I cut the boneless chicken into bite-sized pieces. Then I'm gonna add ginger garlic paste and season it with salt and pepper and mix herbs. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And a good sprinkle of cornstarch and give it a good mix.
Then mix.
Then I'm gonna cut my onions and jalapenos. And for the sauce, I will add soy sauce, black pepper, chili flakes, salt and brown sugar.
Then mix.
Then I will add oil in the pan and cook my chicken for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns golden brown. Then in the same pan, I will add onions and jalapenos and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will add chicken along with my sauce and cook until sauce starts to thicken. And here we have our delicious jalapeno chicken. And I like to serve it with rice. Enjoy!